We're going to do a speed run on the top 10 setups for the max pain range compression trade for tomorrow, August 12th, 2026, based on the closing price on August 11th, 2026. So we're sorting it by reward to risk ratio. These are daily charts. The yellow box is the daily range. The 5-day range is the red box. 10-day range is the blue box. And we're measuring a return to test the 10-day high as the evidence or of a reasonable recovery. We would use the daily range as a risk box. And so this is IYR. That gives us a 6.5 to 1. No, I'm sorry, 4.5 to 1 reward to risk ratio. AMD, which is our swing frame of the day, gives us also 4.5 to 1. And notice that really is coming from the range compression of the daily box compared to the 10-day high. DRAM, the ETF, also range compression. Caterpillar, after a nice big run up, has pulled back sharply. That's a stock of interest. Hong Kong, hard to trade intraday. Interesting swing. Marvell, the big sell-off in Brazil was a great intraday trade today. Let's just take a look at that one real quick while we're here. So we go to the 10-minute box. Now, when you look at this rascal, that's what the 10-minute range looks like. So using our standard practice, that would be the last 30 minutes right there. And when it breaks down below yesterday's low, we're basically going to get short by our rules when it goes underneath the VWAP right up here, using a risk box to the SMA 30, and that's nothing but straight away gains. You should get 2 or 3 positions in there and make a really nice trade for the day. So that's quick at our reward risk ratio. Brazil is in play tomorrow. When we go back and look at that one, it's one of our permanent favorite trades because intraday it has a really good signal to noise ratio. So come on, check us out, find out how we do it. Canet Tortoise Capital, keep your risk measure and your powder dry.